Hello, now you're looking at my Philips Hue hub, and this is a very quick follow-up video. If you saw my last Philips video, you will know that I put a light in here in my dining room, and just to prove the point, there's actually a little remote that you can get for the Philips Hue, and I'll turn that on and you can probably just see out the corner of the camera that has come on. Now, I've had an electrician in today, and if you remember, if you saw the previous video, there was a light switch there. That light switch is now gone. So the idea is that I'll put the Philips Hue switch up there. This is actually just magnetic, so it will then come off the holder. The holder goes on there and that will come off. But there is then just the one switch. So that's cool. But behind there, that's very easy to revert should I ever need to. That's just a bit of plasterboard, that will come out, switch can go back on. It really is no great problem. I'm not throwing my baby out with the bathwater. So that's that one. But you may see on the little screen here that I now have another room set up. Now, I did mention this in my last video that I had the bulbs, and it's now done. Similar thing here. The switch, that was a dimmer switch, is now gone from there and from there. That needs rubbing back, and we're going to decorate in here anyway, so that's not a massive problem. And then I've got two of the dimmer remotes, one to go there and one to go over there, and I can program those to work with more than one light, obviously, and even with both sets of lights. And then up there are the Philips Hue bulbs. Now, they are a bit top heavy light-wise, so cool, that's not coming out very well on the camera here, but they are a bit top heavy, so it remains to be seen what that's like in the dark. But if I'm on here, I've set up a scene for lounge all, and if I tap that, then all of the lights will go out. And if I go on to rooms here and I swipe across, you can see that there are controls for each of the individual bulbs. Dead easy to set up, this was. So if I tap that, that will have turned on just one of the bulbs. And of course you have, as you can see, full control over these. So I will set up other scenes. I've got lounge all, I'll set up lounge dimmed and a few other scenes, and I'll also set up left and right controls for these, and then attach those to the dimmer switches that are going to go on the wall here. So that's just a very, very quick follow-up video. I may do a more detailed one once I've actually set up the scenes with it. Oh, dining room light, turn that off. There we go. And it all works rather well. I have to say, one of the things that worried me a little bit about the Philips lights was what would happen if the power went off, or you accidentally turned the switch off, which of course won't be a problem now. But in actual fact, as soon as you turn it back on, it just works again. So the hub will quite happily talk to your lights again and re-establish a connection, and it's actually pretty seamless. So I haven't really got a massive problem with that. So as you can see, there's all my bits and pieces there, and here is the switches, but that's as yet unconnected. That's still in the plastic, but that's the bit that goes on the wall, and then this is magnetic and goes on there. So I've got 1, 2, and then the third one that's in the dining room. Right, as I said, that was a very, very quick video, quick Philips Hue lighting update. Thanks for watching. Do watch my other video if you are that way inclined, and I will catch you in the next video.